Okay, where's my monkey?
Sir, your monkey's right here. What I gave him?
Yeah, but what food did you give him?
Lego.
Welcome to the underworld.
Okay, where's my monkey?
The monkey's right here, sir. Well, okay. One time I gave him a toothbrush. When you
Never give a monkey toothbrush. You know what they do? Give him a toothbrush. He doesn't even have teeth, you idiot.
Yes, he does.
Where?
I think he swallowed the teeth when he ate the Lego. I think the Lego was so hard.
What?
Wait.
What? What? Why? Why would he eat Lego? Okay, where's my monkey?
Your monkey's right here, sir.
Really?
He was retarded, okay?
What? You call him retarded? He's dead!
But all he does is this. That's all he does.
No, you don't understand. You don't understand. Oh.